Hey there guys, today I'm back with a pumpkin recipe, finally! I know I've promised more and here is more. You want to start out with an onion and you want to cut it into small little bits. Then you want to prepare your garlic and press that into the same pot you used for the onion. Then you want to cut down half of one of those Hokkaido pumpkins and make the little squares quite small that you cut out of it, so they are, easier to cook. They cook faster. Now you want to add your noodles, your pasta into the bowl as well, or the pan. Then you want to add some cream as well as some vegetable stock, some nutmeg and a little bit of salt. And then you want to wait for this to boil, and then you want to let that sit on medium to high heat for 15 to 20 minutes until everything is nice and softened. You want to also create some cheese that you can sprinkle on top, and then you're ready to enjoy. I do love this a whole lot and I hope you try it. It's great for, these days when you don't have a lot of time to cook. So yeah, I hope this is helpful, and until next time.